Supplement problem number 2. A train averaging 50 miles per hour leaves San Francisco at 1 p.m. for Los Angeles, 440 miles away. At the same time, a second train leaves Los Angeles headed for San Francisco on the same track and traveling at average rate of 60 miles per hour. At what time does the accident occur? Okay, so first we need to visualize the movement or moving object, the two train moving at the same track. So accident, because both trains are moving at the same track, therefore at a certain time the two train will collide, head-to-head collision. So that is the accident. The question is, at what times does the accident occur? Okay, so first we have our first train, or our train A, traveling at 50 miles per hour, and the second train at 60 miles per hour, our train B. So the distance from San Francisco going to Los Angeles does not change. So the total distance is 440 miles. Okay? From San Francisco going to Los Angeles. Okay. The question is, what time? So what time does the accident occur? Okay? So the distance is given, the rate of change of both trains A and B are given also. Now, let's formulate our equation with the help of our TRD box. Okay? Using our TRD box, let's copy our data from the statement. Okay? So from our data, the train A moves at a rate of, yes, that is 50 miles per hour. How about our train B? That is 60 miles per hour. Here, our unknown is time. So, both train A and B will meet at a certain point. They are collided. So, our unknown is x, or the time. So, we what? We let x, we let x, the time in hours for train A and B meet. Okay, so we let x be the time. We let x in times hour for train A and B meet. Okay, so let's fill out our data. Okay, we already have the rate. How about our time? So the time at a certain point, both of them will meet. So that is equal. They have equal time. Okay, so therefore, applying our formula, times time times rate is equal to distance, it will become 50x and 60x. Using our formula here, the distance traveled by the train 1 and the distance traveled by train 2, here, our D1 plus our D2 is equal to 440 miles. So from here, we can formulate our equation. Now, this is our D1 and this is our D2. So we add 50x plus 60x is equal to 440. Okay, so if we sum, this will become 110x is equal to 440. Therefore, our x is equal to 440 over 110 is equal to 4 hours. So our x is equal to 4 hours. But wait, the question is, at what time does the accident occur? So in the problem, both train leaves at their location at the same time, both 1 p.m. The train leaves at San Francisco at also 1 p.m. So if we count, that is 4 hours later. So finally, we can say that since the train left at the same time, 1 p.m., therefore they will meet 4 hours later. That is 1 p.m. plus 4. Therefore, our final answer here is train will meet at exactly 5 p.m. So that is our answer. Okay, 4 hours later. So we count from 1 p.m. plus 4 hours, that is 5 p.m. That would be our answer. To check if our solution is correct, we substitute back our x to our equation. This will become 4. This will become 4. So we count. So 200. This is 240. This is 440. Okay, so both sides are equal, so we can say that the value of our x is correct. And finally, our answer is at 5 p.m. I hope you comprehend with our solution. Let's move to our next supplement problem.